everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the story of a reality TV star who found out the hard way that even fame won't save you from serious financial crimes. And we'll talk about how his situation would be handled here in Texas. Let's dive in. All right, Mike the Situation Sorrentino from MTV's Jersey Shore got himself into big legal trouble, not because of his fights at the club, but because he didn't pay his taxes. Between 2010 and 2012, Sorrentino made around $9 million from appearances, endorsements, and other deals. The problem? He failed to report it properly and pay the IRS what he owed. In 2018, he pleaded guilty to 1 count of tax evasion and was sentenced to 8 months in federal prison. After serving his time, he was also placed on supervised release and ordered to complete community service. Now, let's break down how a crime like this would be treated under Texas law. Even though federal authorities typically handle tax evasion cases, Texas does have laws against state tax fraud. So if you lie about your income to avoid paying taxes here, it's considered a felony offense. And depending on the amount of unpaid taxes, you could face penalties ranging from 2 years to life in prison. For an amount like $9 million, prosecutors here would come down hard. And while Texas doesn't have a state income tax, businesses and individuals are still required to pay other state taxes like franchise taxes and sales taxes. Failure to pay those can trigger criminal charges too. Plus, in Texas, the crime of tax evasion often overlaps with money laundering charges if the money is moved around to hide its source, adding even more time behind bars if convicted. The state is also very aggressive about seizing assets to satisfy outstanding tax debts, meaning your house, cars, and even bank accounts could be wiped out to repay what you owe. It's also important to understand that in Texas, restitution to the government or to victims is often just the beginning. People convicted of financial crimes here face long-term consequences like professional license suspensions, travel restrictions, and difficulty getting future loans or jobs. Consequences that can last far longer than the prison sentence itself. At the end of the day, Mike the Situation Sorrentino's story is a powerful reminder. It doesn't matter how famous you are. If you don't pay what you owe, you're going to pay the price. And in Texas, that price could be a whole lot steeper than 8 months behind bars. So if you found this breakdown helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. And thank you for watching. And remember, when it comes to taxes, the only situation you want is a clean one. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.